Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and what I have here are two electric water pistols. They're actually revolvers. Very, very cool. This company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview of our electric water pistols? Whom I say no, but no way whatsoever this being provided to me affect this review, because I'm just here to keep it real. Let me show you what all comes in these boxes. I was provided not one, but two. This was everything that was in the second box. You get two revolvers that are your water guns, and they have triggers right here. You can see this one has the battery in, this one does not. They come with rechargeable, they'll look like this, rechargeable batteries that fit inside right here. And this is how easy they are to replace. You just take this out, go like this, it clips in after you've charged it. Doesn't take that long to charge either. I think I hooked it up to the charger right out of the pack, and it has the indicator light that's on here. And after the red goes away, you know it's charged. Maybe 30 minutes. That tucks in there just like that. It comes with this cap that goes over the battery, and then you snap it in. It also comes with a water reservoir. So unlike traditional water guns that have the water that's usually in the handle or somewhere, this has a pouch. It also comes with these tubes that connect to it. You can have this set up as a single pistol, or you can use, in this situation, it does give you the ability to run two at the exact same time, because you can go like this. It also has straps that you can put around your shoulders or your neck to kind of strap this onto you so it's nice and tight. This just unscrews like this. You fill this full of your tap water and you screw it back.
Now, big kids love shooting water guns. So to kind of give you an idea, the water coming out of this thing is like a machine gun. Very, very cool. It shoots about 23 to 24 feet. I mean, non-stop, just gonna soak somebody. Very, 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 very fun, even for big kids, man. Even for big kids. Kind of give you an idea, this thing is just rapid fire going to town. It's pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie, very fun. When the kids are involved, they like it because, unlike, let's just say, other water activities where if it's a water balloon, they got to throw it, they got to pick up another one, or they got to keep refilling their water. I mean, this thing just non-stop. To give you an idea of the power of this thing, I mean, definitely fun. So hopefully this answers any question you might have about these water gun revolving pistols, and your summer will never be the same in a good way with these bad boys.